So the first difficulty of recording your top speed is actually recording your top speed, finding an app or something and recording it. The second difficulty is finding a space, especially for doing an off-road top speed, is finding a space where you can actually get the bike up to top speed, especially for one of these off-road tests. So we'll start by going out and looking for a spot. So it looks like my speedometer is actually kind of accurate, just comparing it to this GPS. It says 15. It's very hard to hold a steady speed off-road. 17. When it says 17.7 though, it would say like 18 on the GPS. So it looks like it's pretty close, like at least within 1 mile an hour. This way with the GPS, it'll record your top speed and then save that, so you don't have to worry about if you missed it, if you didn't see it update or something. Alright, so that little rip right there got us to 28. That's our current top speed, 28 off-road. So this is your redneck science for the week. You guys seem to get a lot of views when I do the top speed videos, so we'll try and keep that up. Look, it's been mowed since I was out here. It was just a couple not too long ago. So we're coming up on this first spot here. See how fast we get. I don't even know if we'll get in the 5th gear. Alright, I wasn't watching at all. This says 63. Says 63, and I'm not sure how far we got into 5th gear, but I think it is either quarter or halfway through 5th gear, so it's looking like our top speed might be 70s, maybe in the 80s if I can have the bravery to hold on for a few more seconds. It doesn't translate at all into the GoPro, but I was getting thrown up and down in the air, and especially once I let off there's a big dip, and that just chucked me up in the air. So once we find a good run for the top speed, I'll drive up and down it, because of course in Ohio here, a lot of runoffs and stuff, and so you can get these nasty ruts built up in the field. I'll see if I can show you one, and it would be really bad to be going 80 mile an hour and smack into one of them. Like, here's one. This one's not that bad, but it's bad enough to it's bad enough to move me around a little bit. So I'd consider that fairly bad. Oh, and that top speed was with the choke on, because it was still warming up and I forgot to take the choke off. See, there's another one. This would just be really bad if I come across one of these unsuspecting and nail it. That would be really bad. I think I have a good one, so let's go run it up and down. We'll see what it looks like. Oh God. Oh, like that. See, like that I just ran into right there. Like, I just came across it too, but the section that I went over was like a foot deeper than the other section that I'd gone over, so I thought it was fine. That's what I'm talking about. I really need to double check all this before I rip across it. See, this looks like a pretty good straight right here. I stay about 5 to 6 feet off this grassy patch here. This looks pretty smooth. I'll hit some grass. There's a flat part. There's no ruts through here so far. And then start my deceleration. Run back around. Run it down one more time. Just stay in a straight line. That's where I'll be going my top, right about there. I'll be on the brakes through this grass. And then there is a ginormous rut out here. Oh my God. I gotta take a look at this really quick. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, see, this is what I'm talking about. This, and I know you guys can't see it, but see that berm over there? That's about a 2.5 foot drop. This whole thing would just, the bike would stop and I would keep going, basically, if I hit one of those things. All right, so let's give it a run, going back this way, see what I can do. $50, $55, $61, $65. All right, that was pretty intense. This says 71 top speed, and of course this is off-road top speed. I know this bike can do more, but this is off-road, and this is stock gearing on the E. I don't know what that compares to like the stock gearing on the S or SM or whatever, the supermoto models, the street models. Oh God, okay. I cannot ride along the green here. I can't ride along these ruts. That is, we were starting to float like a butterfly, and we would have stung like a bee when we hit the ground. Oh God, okay. See that speed wobble? Yeah, you saw that. That was, sometimes I do it intentionally, joking around because I'm an idiot, but that was not intentional. That was full on. Oh God. So again, I want to repeat, this is the off-road top speed, which will be different than the on-road top speed. This is just like, and I'm also not that light of a person. So I know that's not helping it either. Alright, I'll try to give you live updates, but I don't know how well that is gonna go. So we'll spin it around here, come absolutely ripping back across, and see what we can do. 173 on the temperature, feeling good, nice day, dry-ish field. Elevation 920-ish feet. I think it's a 2003, if I remember right, DRZ400E. And here we go, coming around. And here we go, top speed attempt number 2. Getting in some speed wobble again. Full on the brakes. Did we get any higher? No. 71. And of course this will change with gearing too. So this is I think 14 in the front, 47 in the rear. Stock gearing. I'm pretty sure for the E. I'm pretty sure it's stock gearing. Yeah, I may get criticized a little for this video, people calling me stupid or other such things, which is understandable. You can call me stupid, you can call me whatever, I don't care. I'm having a good time. Let her eat through the tunnel of trees. Is this a good idea? Not at all. Because who knows what's on the other end, or what rabbit, animals, birds are gonna fly out in front of me. See if we can get a little air here on the, just gonna send it. Just gonna send it. Oh, that's fun. Let's send it the other way too. Just gonna send it. Woo! Yeah, I'm kind of too scared to make another attempt at the top speed. You can call me a chicken, I don't really care. After all that speed wobbling and stuff. So, if that's all you came for, then you're good. You can head on out. Exit's over there, or up there. The back button, or the YouTube button, or the home button, or whatever. Just gonna send it. Woo! That was pretty good. Oh boy, we're coming in hot. Alright, well that's about all I feel like doing today. Thanks for watching. If you feel so inclined, you can subscribe. Alright, well thanks for watching. Have a nice day. And I'll see you later.